Unboxing your KOMOTO P700 in setup. We'll show you real quick how to do it. Over here on the side in this round box is your charger, and then the handles for each side of the scooter. They're labeled R for right, L for left. There's also a little Allen key in there to tighten on the brake handle. So we'll set this off to the side. You can see right here, your brake handle's here, so you gotta take this out first. And it's pretty easy. Usually you can just sit here, pull it straight up, out. And then this comes off, this comes up. Then we do that. Then obviously the brake handles, like left for left, they spin towards you to tighten them. Towards you. So once you spin these both on, do that. There's an Allen key in the box. Use this to tighten on the brake. Once that's tight, you're good to go. And then everything else is set up already. Brakes and everything are tuned in, and you just ride the scooter.